Trouble aboard the space station sent astronauts fleeing for safety for the second time this year.
Station Houston on Space to Ground 2 for an early wake-up.
Mission Control in Houston had to wake the astronauts to inform them that they needed to evacuate the space station and take shelter inside their spacecraft.
We were recently informed of a satellite breakup and need to have you guys start reviewing the safe haven procedure.
On Monday, the space station once again faced a menacing threat, this time from thousands of pieces of debris, scattered when Russia fired a missile that destroyed a dead satellite. By early Monday morning, the detritus of that strike was hurtling uncomfortably close to the station, like a barrage of bullets. But this time there was no time to maneuver out of the way.
And that's all we got from the crew. Thanks for a crazy but well-coordinated day. We really appreciated all the situational awareness you gave us, and it was certainly a great way to bond as a crew, starting off our very first workday in space.
Copy that. We really appreciate you guys' patience on here. It's a crazy way to start a mission. We definitely understand right there, and you guys were troopers through all this and continue to be, so we really appreciate it. And just to let you know, we actually just put message 235 on board with all of those debris-filled transit times. So let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Otherwise, have a great evening. Thank you for all your patience today. Huntsville, Munich, and Scuba are standing by with no topics. So unless you have comments for those centers, we can bid you a good night.
All right, good night, Houston, and good evening to Huntsville, Munich, and Scuba. Thanks again also to you all for supporting us today, and we're looking forward to a calmer day tomorrow.
Hey, Mark, one more go back for you. Theme of the day on here, but our plan for giving you a heads up on those debris-filled transits, we can give you the heads up for the 1755, and then after that we can go silent. Let's just let you track it on your own unless you have a different preference.
And finally, earlier today, the Russian Federation recklessly conducted a destructive satellite test of a direct ascent anti-satellite missile against one of its own satellites. The test has so far generated over 1,500 pieces of trackable orbital debris and hundreds of thousands of pieces of smaller orbital debris that now threaten the interests of all nations. In addition, this test will significantly increase the risk to astronauts and cosmonauts on the International Space Station, as well as to other human spaceflight activities. Russia's dangerous and irresponsible behavior jeopardizes the long-term sustainability of outer space and clearly demonstrates that Russia's claims of opposing the weaponization of space are disingenuous and hypocritical. The United States will work with our allies and partners to respond to Russia's irresponsible act. With that, I am happy to take your questions.
In the movie Gravity, we provide a scene as an example of the space station or spacecraft getting hit by debris.
Of debris at 9 o'clock.
Half of North America just lost their Facebook.
Explore. Repeat. Expected communication blackout at any moment.
Copy that, Houston.
Explore, this is Kowalski confirming visual contact with debris. Debris is from a BSE sat. Repeat. I am
Dr. Stone requesting faster transport.
We have to go. We have to go, go, go.
Activity reports meteorological conditions. Go, go.
Houston, Explorer, copy. Explorer, Dr. Stone requesting faster transport to Bay Area. Explorer, do you copy?
Explorer, permission to retrieve Dr. Stone.
Your go, Kowalski. Houston, this is Explorer, copy.
All right.
We've lost Houston.
Oh,
We've lost Houston.
unstrap. Look, we need to get the hell out of here. Need some help there, man? No, don't wait for us.
Stuck.
Man down.
Houston, this
Man
is
down.
Copy. Houston, Explorer, copy. Kowalski, proceed.
Explorer's been hit. Astronaut is off structure. Dr. Stone is off structure. Dr. Stone detached. You must detach. If you don't detach, that arm's going to carry you too far. Listen to my voice. You need to focus. I'm losing visual of you. In a few seconds, I won't be able to track you. You need to detach. I can't see you anymore. Do it now. Houston, I've lost visual of Dr. Stone. Houston, I've lost visual.